how to make a secret spy banana. Shh.
I'm a spy.
I'm a spy too.
And here's a secret message.
What? A banana? What? It has a message. We love playing spies.
We're going to show you how to send a secret spy message on a banana so you can play too. All you need is a banana and a toothpick. So first, we're going to start writing the message. So I'm going to write code red.
I want to make a pattern, and then on the other side, I'm going to write a secret message to my sister. I'm using the toothpick to scratch the skin of the banana, so then it makes lines in the banana skin.
You can't really see it at first, but after a little while, it turns brown.
That's why it's secret, because it starts out invisible. You can write words, or you can draw a picture.
We made some earlier, and you can see they turn brown. I'm almost done.
I'm almost done too.
And that's how you make a secret spy banana.
Calling Spy 42. Spy 31 is here.
Okay, I'm here. What's going on?
I found her. He's planning to go into space. Spy out.
Spy out.
This is how you make magic milk. Isn't it cool? I'm going to show you how to do it so you can play too. First, you want to pour some milk into a small dish. You don't need a lot of milk. The best thing to use is whole milk because it has the most fat in it. Then you add a few drops of food coloring. Use all the colors that you want to see swirl. This is red. This is blue. This is yellow. And this is green. You want to get the color all around so it looks cooler. Last, you add a tiny drop of liquid soap. You really don't want to add too much. Just dip it into the soap and let it drip into the milk. And this is where the magic happens. Abracadabra! The colors are swirling around like crazy. It's like liquid tie-dye. The science is that the soap is chasing the fat in the milk, and as it chases the fat, it swirls the colors. Important tip, do not stir the milk. If you mix it up, it stops working. Abracadabra, you've got magic milk.
How to make raisins dance.
Dancing raisins!
Dancing with the raisins!
Dancing with the raisins! Raisins! Come on. We're going to show you how to make dancing raisins so you can play too.
This is what you need to make dancing raisins.
You need any type of clear fizzy drink, a glass, and you need raisins.
First, you're gonna open the bottle and you're gonna put it halfway into the glass.
Any liquid that's bubbly is called carbonated.
Carbonated means that a certain type of gas was pushed into the liquid. As the gas comes out, it makes bubbles that float up to the top.
After that, you take your two smallest raisins that you can find, and you can drop them into your fizzy drink.
The bubbles attach themselves to the raisins and float it up to the surface.
When the bubbles pop, the raisins sink back down to the bottom.
And they're going up and down.
They're floating at the surface, and I'm waiting for them to pop.
I made background so my raisins can dance on the stage. Rockets.
Or you can dance like a raisin! Up and down.
Up and down. Up and down.
Up and down.